See, twin.
Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Shawty, what you sipping?
Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Alicia, and I am back with another Amazon video for you guys. So thank you guys so much for the request, because a lot of you guys are requesting different styles from different vendors, and yes, we will be looking into it and choosing styles that we think will work for everybody. Okay, so this one is actually a revisited brand because they were actually the very first company I purchased from on Amazon, and I really liked their hair, and a lot of you guys liked it too. So I decided to get another unit from them, but a different cap construction. I wanted to try out their 360 lace frontal. So as you guys can see, it does have that lace that goes all the way around, making it so that you can wear it in a high ponytail or a high bun. But anyways, a lot of you guys did request that we need to start showing the wig before we go in and do any customizing to it, because a lot of you guys don't customize your units. And as you guys can see, this is how it looks, but I definitely want to go in and tint the lace a bit because I did feel like this lace was a little too light for me, and I want to show you guys just how easy it is to tint your lace. I use about 4 to 5 packs of black tea, and I steep it in hot water, and then I take like a white cloth just to see that it matches my complexion pretty well. It doesn't have to be darker than my skin because our scalp is naturally lighter than our face, so you know, just around that color complexion, you know, and it should come out pretty well. I allowed my wig to sit in the tea for about 30 minutes, maybe even longer. Yeah, but definitely after doing the black tea dye, you want to certainly wash your hair, because it's going to make your hair feel pretty dry and pretty hard, because it's coating your hair. It's not ruining your wig, it's just coating the hair, but you want to get that off of the hair. So I just use a shampoo, and then I go in with my silicone mix conditioner just to bring the hair back to life. You can also use Aussie Moist. Those are 2 conditioners that I recommend. And then I like to take my Denman just to make sure the hair is not shedding, as well as get those curls popping. Alrighty, so after doing that, this is how those curls look. As you guys can see, it still looks pretty good. Alrighty, so now we're gonna look at the cap construction. As you guys can see, it does have that pre-plucked hairline, but if this isn't enough for you, you can certainly go in and customize your unit. However, I do find that this is good enough. Alrighty, it looks good. So I think I'm going to do a video not doing any customizing to the wig, just so you guys can see that these wigs are wearable, because a lot of you guys say that's too much work. I just want to put the wig on. I don't want to have to do all that work. I'll pass. And you certainly can. But right here, I'm just making sure the hair looks the way I want it to look, alrighty, to match my hairline. So I'm just taking some tweezers and I'm just going in and softening up that demarcation line, just so that it looks, you know, not so harsh but pretty natural. Okay, and it literally takes like 5 minutes, and then I just brush the hair back, and as you guys can see, the hair doesn't have that much of a change, but is a subtle change to make the hair look much more natural. So it's just that quick and that easy. But anyway, shout out to the girl who told me about this. She is the plug. She says, hey, you know, she wears curly units and she uses the Just For Me natural hair milk leave-in, and she says that it makes her hair remain curly. It doesn't make it tangle or frizz up. So I'm using it on this unit today, and so far so good. The hair is nice and shiny and soft, and it smells amazing. So I'll link that down below in case you are interested. Thank you again, sis, for the recommendation. I'm loving it so far. But we're gonna get into the baby hair. I feel like I have to give a disclaimer. You know, I know a lot of you guys do not prefer baby hair, so if you don't, you don't have to do this part, but I just have not mastered how to get that lace to blend into my skin without baby hair, because the baby hair kind of hides the lace for me. But you know, I'm gonna practice some more just so I don't have to do baby hairs every single time, because I know a lot of you guys don't like it. But now I'm just cutting off that lace. It's very simple. I just cut it in quadrants or in sections, and I just try to get as close to the hairline as possible and just cut around. It's very easy. You just lift up the baby hairs if you did lay your baby hairs beforehand, and it should be a simple, foolproof cut. Alrighty? So this is what those curls look like after using that leave-in. As you guys can see, those curls are popping. The hair is nice and soft. Yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and just style the hair a little bit just to get it to my liking. As you guys can see, that hairline, it looks pretty good, okay? I must say. And also, tinting the lace really helped with blending that lace into my skin. Okay, so the inch on this one is 22 inches. A lot of you guys did request for us to do longer units since it is getting colder. So I did get a 22 inch, and the density of this one is 180%. So it's pretty full. I must say this is probably one of the most fullest wigs that I think I've ever had. It's very full and very natural, okay? So I was watching Jayla Corian, and her stylist put her hair up in like this half up, half down style, and it's been a while since I've done a half up, half down style, so I wanted to do it again because she really got me back into that, that style. So I definitely wanted to show you guys doing that using a 360 lace frontal. It does have 5 inches of parting space going back, and the entire perimeter is lace, so you can wear the hair up completely, or you can do it in a half up, half down style. Any way you choose, it still looks very, very natural. As you guys can see, the luster of this hair, that curl pattern, that density. So far, I have not gotten any shedding or any major tangling. Curly hair does tangle. I will definitely update you guys once I've worn this hair enough. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this one. If you guys actually have a unit from this vendor, let everybody know about your experiences. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.